Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is your friend Ramnath Dixit. And now that we are friends, you can call me Ram. I'm going to take you through a video series called as Arise. And in this series, you will find a lot of content and information about how to be a successful entrepreneur. Often we have a lot of options in terms of entrepreneurial ventures, but we only restrict ourselves to finding a good job. And there is a world beyond it. So how do we become successful? What are the key necessities to become a successful entrepreneur? We answer these questions for you and many more. So don't forget to arise, keep winning.